Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Litecoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like several weeks worth of time. It's actually just several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several days ago, so that's where the pattern over here is coming from, these orange lines. But this has already been played out. The bulls got the bullish break to the upside, so definitely a nice breakout has occurred. And now, just kind of going forward, I want to talk about more so broad levels. Why broad levels? Well, remember, crypto markets are open 24/7, and so this chart is going to continue to form all weekend long. So if you're watching this, Sunday at some point, then yeah, the chart will look different. But like I said, that's why I want to focus on more so the general levels. That way this chart remains as relevant as possible. I did forget, so I'm going to say right now, from a disclosure perspective, I am long Litecoin. So I do own Litecoin from the long side. So just keep that in mind as I continue to progress here through the analysis. Now, as far as, the first kind of level to keep an eye on, and really the first question to ask yourself, so we'll go with Sunday. You're watching this some point Sunday. The first question is, well, where does the price stand relative to the 50-period simple moving average, which on my chart is being denoted by that purple line? If you are answering the question, the price is still up above the 50-period, well, then that's telling you that the bulls are having themselves a good weekend and are, the trend is building, because over the past several days, you can see the price is bounce and continue to bounce. And that's essentially what the 50-period is measuring, is kind of the health of this bounce. Again, so what's healthy again? As long as you're answering the question that the price is still up above that purple line, then yeah, the bulls, this bounce is, in full health, and things are still looking very, very nicely. Now, if you answer the question, oh, well, actually the price is down below the 50-period, I'm not saying the entire chart is ruined or anything like that. But at that point, the next, immediate follow-up question is, well, where does the price stand relative to 58? If the price is actually down below 58, that would be implying that the bears are having a very good weekend, and the overall chart is starting to look pretty sketchy, pretty shaky. It doesn't look like that is going to occur. But then again, these are crypto, so you never quite know. But again, question number one, where's the price stand relative to that purple line? And then if the price is below it, definitely where's the price above 58? If the price is where's the price relative to 58? If the price is down below it, that is just not a good sign for the bulls. On the flip side of things, ask yourself, all right, well, as far as resistance levels, where's the price relative to the 200-period simple moving average on my chart being denoted by that pink line there? If the price is actually up above the 200-period, it's very straightforward. That's just telling you that the bulls are continuing to have and make a very nice overall move. So very straightforward at that point. Now, remember, if the price is below that pink line still, that doesn't mean anything's ruined or anything. That could just mean, consolidation continues. But if the price is up above that level, very straightforward at that point. That implies that the bulls are having a very, very nice weekend. So let's see how this one continues to unfold. But like I said, I do own this from the long side. So hopefully the price can get up through that 200 period and just keep on building higher bases. We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.